Sexual satisfaction plays an important role in building a strong and long-lasting relationship. But a loose vagina is not good for a healthy relationship because you won't be able to fully satisfy your partner with a loose vagina. Your vagina might lose its elasticity due to any of the following reasons: giving birth to child via normal delivery, aging, frequent sex, hormonal changes. There are many natural and effective ways to tighten the loose vagina. Let's find out. Method number 1. Vaginal exercises. Doing vaginal exercises is one of the effective ways to tighten your vagina. Your vagina is made of muscles, and careful exercises make it stronger and firmer. By doing these exercises, your pelvic floor muscle gets stronger, which results in a tighter vagina. Method number 2. Use vinegar. The vinegar can be used to make vagina tighter and elastic. Vinegar contains active elements which help in restoring firmness of vagina walls. The best way to use it is to add it into your lukewarm bathing water in a bathtub. Then, sit in this water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Method number 3. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is another home remedy for contracting your vagina walls. For this purpose, take a leaf of aloe vera and take out its gel by peeling it. Now apply this gel daily to the inner and outer parts of your vagina using your fingers. It helps in reshaping vagina walls and prevents their prolapse. Method number 4. Indian gooseberry. Bamla is a fruit which is being used for curing hair and skin problems since the ancient times. It is also very effective in narrowing the vagina cave. You can use its healing solution for vagina tightening purpose. Read more about how to prepare it on our website. Method number 5. Curcuma comosip. Curcuma comosip is another natural remedy which looks like ginger. It is rich in phytoestrogens which are very similar in working to that of female hormone estrogen. Eating it daily is good for repairing vagina walls. Method number 6. Vaginal cones. Vaginal cones are also being used to strengthen vaginal walls nowadays. These cones are similar in shape but different in weight. You have to hold a cone using your vagina walls for about 12 minutes. You have to start with the lightest cone first. If you are able to hold it for the required time period, then you have to use the heavier cone the next day.